In the sunlit stretches of Florida, far from the ancient sands of Egypt, stands Coral Castle, a monument as mysterious as the pyramids themselves. This intricate stone marvel, with its massive blocks and complex carvings, was crafted not by a legion of workers, but by a single, unassuming man, Edward Leedskalnin. Heartbroken from a jilted engagement in his native Latvia, Edward moved to the U.S., eventually settling in Florida. It was here, from 1923 to 1951, that he single-handedly extracted, shaped, and set stones, some weighing several tons, to create his magnum opus. But how? Edward claimed to know the secrets behind the construction of the ancient pyramids, asserting a unique understanding of magnetic currents and weight manipulation. Witnesses reported that he worked mainly at night, often under the cloak of lantern light, and never let anyone watch him work closely. The construction techniques remain a topic of wild speculation, from using Sweet 16 electromagnetic devices to the application of ancient levitation techniques. Perhaps the most heart-wrenching piece in the castle is a massive stone door, perfectly balanced, which for decades could be opened with just a gentle push. Edward once said everything he did was for his Sweet 16, a cryptic reference, possibly to his lost love from Latvia.